So the whole place is white. You see that? You see that? Yeah. Everywhere is white. It's snow. Let me give you the heap of it. Look at it. Look at the heap of snow. You see everywhere? Everywhere is snow. It's white everywhere. And it's very slippery. When you walk on it, I'm going out to catch a cup of coffee, and it's very cold, like 800 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's kind of really dangerous walking in it. You see my jacket? It's kind of 2 layers here. See that? That's my jacket. It's kind of 2 layers. And I have a long sleeve. Then I have another top. Then I have this jacket with 2 layers. If you miss it, you're going to get sick. It's really, really, this is the Citibank. And I'm going to Starbucks. Normally, I would do Soho for breakfast because I would do egg white, I would do toast, then I would do turkey sausage, right? Yeah. That's what I normally do for breakfast. I don't do the entire egg. I do egg white because I can't eat entire egg every day. So egg white without the yolk. Yeah, and then you just there, they prepare the meal, it's fresh. Sometimes I reduce the toast and then reduce the turkey sausage and rather get oatmeal, right? But the egg white, I always do it. But to walk up to Soho, it's like 2 blocks. And to walk 2 blocks to get food, I'm not going to do that. It's cold. But then I'm going to be at Starbucks. This is Pat Burley, okay? And then this is Starbucks right there. I'm rather going to go around Starbucks and then get some, this is Starbucks, and get some coffee. And they have this soft wrap with egg white and spinach. Yeah, they call it spinach fella. I'm going to, this is Starbucks. Yeah, this is Starbucks right here. Yeah, they call it fella. I'm going to go ahead and get a cup of decaffeinated coffee and then get back to the office. So have a good morning. Keep warm, everybody, and have a very pleasant day. Although I don't know how I'm going to tell you this. It's very cold, but pleasant in the cold weather. Okay? Bye.